Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Want to learn how to earn an extra 20K before the holidays? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting gift for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because back in October 2019, I was overworked and underpaid. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time and living from paycheck to paycheck. It was not up until that time I was dabbling online. You name it, I've done it, from network marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, crypto trading. I've been there, done that. It was not until I made the decision to actually invest the time and the money to learn the skills to market online the right way that things started to change for me. Now, back in July 2024, I came across a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning over $1 million in 17 months. Now I'm actually learning the skills to market online the right way. Now, what I absolutely love about this program is, even though it was a one-time payment, I'm actually getting live, interactive, weekly coaching and mentorship sessions from 6 and 7 figure earners who have used this blueprint to earn 6 and 7 figures. So in this video, I want to talk to you about digital marketing. What exactly is it, right? Now, digital marketing, when it comes down to it, is all about marketing to your target audience online. Okay, it's about going away from the traditional way of doing things, making a list of your family and friends, bothering your family and friends, going around the offline world, hanging around your shopping centers. We're going away from that business model, and we're leveraging the internet, right? So as long as you have a device, you have the internet, you have the time, you can actually start your digital marketing business. Now, you can use digital marketing to promote a physical product if you want. It's still digital marketing because you're marketing online, but you can also use it to promote digital products, right? So what I love about digital products is that it's instant gratification, right? When you deliver the product to your customer, they get instant access to it. There is no time delay, right? And it means that you can actually work harder, or you can work smarter, not harder. Now, in order for digital marketing, for you to be successful at digital marketing, you need to know who your target audience is. That's a very step, because know this, what you have is not for everybody. So you need to narrow down who your target audience is, right? Now, once you know who your target audience is, you need to understand what are the pain points, right? What are the problems? What are they? So what solutions are they looking at online? Okay, understand, get in their heads, understand them, and then understand where they are hanging out online. Where is your target audience hanging out online? Because you have to meet them there, right? You have to meet them where they hang out online. And how do you do that? How do you actually connect with your target audience? How do you meet them where they are? You meet them the way I am meeting you right now. How am I doing it? I'm creating content, right? So it doesn't have to be showing your face like I am, right? We can use what we call faceless content. You can use posts, you can do blog posts, whatever way that you want to actually bridge the gap between where you are and where your target audience is. Okay, so those those are the 3 things that you need to understand in digital marketing: is knowing who your target audience is, understanding the needs, wants, problems, the solutions that they're looking for, and then where exactly where they're hanging out, which social media platforms are there, because in 2024 they're hanging out in groups and different platforms, right? So you need to understand where they hang out, and then you need to create content on those platforms so you can actually connect with them. Okay, Now, the best way for you to build your digital marketing business is by using automated systems, right? Done for you automated systems. Because otherwise, you're going to be working very, very hard, right? Trying to build your business if you don't have automations working for you on the background. So the automations should be able to help you capture your prospects' information. That way you can actually, and once you capture the information, you need to have a series of emails going out to them. So let me show you here what we have, the done for you automated system that we use, right? And ideally you should be able to offer them something of value for free, right? So this is the automated marketing system. In this system, we're giving away two things. We're giving away a 10K in 30 days proven guide, and then we're also giving away a done for you automated marketing system, right? So in exchange for the email. And the reason we want the email is because we want to build our email list, okay? The money is in the list. Once our prospects actually opt into our funnel, we have a series of emails going out to them, because most people don't make a decision to buy straight away, right? It takes an average of about 7 times before they make a decision to buy. So you build your email list, build a relationship with your target audience, get them know, like, and trust you, and consistently remind them to check out your offer, okay? So this is how the best way for you to start your digital business. Now, if you are interested in actually learning the skills to earn an extra 20K by Christmas, then I want to invite you to click the link below to claim your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide. Be sure to check your email, because when I deliver the guide to your email, I'm going to give you access to a done for you, 100% done for you free automated marketing system that you can use to activate up to 7 income streams. Okay, it's all about working smart in 2024 and building up the skills so that you can skyrocket 2025. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.